Choose function is very simple function. By using choose function, you can choose the value from the list. This is the name of function. In index num argument, type the positive integer number. This number returns the value from the value 1 argument if you type 1 in index num argument. If you type 2 in index num argument, it returns the value from the value 2 argument. In value 1 argument, you can add cell references, formulas, strings, functions, text, numbers, and defined names. You can add up to 254 values in choose function arguments dialog box. Click cancel. Active this cell. In formulas tab, function library group, click lookup and reference arrow button. Click choose function. The function arguments dialog box opens. First, I add values in value 1, 2 and 3 arguments. Press tab key. In value 1 box, I select HP. Press tab key. In value 2 argument, I select Dell. Press tab key. In value 3 argument, I select Acer. From data table, you can see name of laptop company is Dell. Value of Dell is in value 2 argument. Type 2 in index num argument. Type 2. Click OK. Choose function returns the value Dell. Now click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of cell references D9, D7 and D8. Press F4. Click after the cell D7. Press F4. Click after the cell D9. Press F4. Press enter. Again active this cell. Paste the formula in this cell. In Home tab, Clipboard group. Click Copy button. Active this cell. Click Paste button. Now click in formula bar. Change the value of index num argument. From data table, you can see the name of laptop bag. Company is Acer. The value of Acer is in value 3 argument. Type 3 in index num argument. Press enter. Choose function returns the value Acer in this cell. In this way, you can use choose function in an Excel worksheet.